Hi everyone, in this video I will show keyboard sound settings or on off keyboard settings on Pura 70 Ultra. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.